different connectors that we sell here at Foxx Life Sciences. It's pretty crazy. So we're going to talk about CPC, we're going to talk about steam throughs, we're going to talk about Oetikers, we're going to talk about all kinds of things that we do with connectors, and the fact that we sell all these connectors and ship almost all of them in 24 to 48 hours. That's right, we sell them to distribution, we sell them to competitors, we sell them to end users, and today you're going to get to see this in full disclosure, everything we have and all the things that we're working on. Super exciting. But let's get started with our introductions, and we're going to start with the one and only, our magical product manager that comes up with crazy stuff, works till 1, 2 in the morning, the mad inventor, Insane Dwayne.
Woo! Let's go, Dwayne.
All right, next up, we're gonna have,
Hey, do you have a 4-port VersaCap with Rhino bottle?
We actually do. I was just gonna show that later in the presentation.
My customer really needs that.
This is super cool. Patented GL45 4 ports with a 3.3 borosilicate Type 1 glass with our Rhino proprietary coating. So pretty awesome.
The ultimate bottle
there
assembly.
You go. And Noah, say hi to everybody. This is one of our top engineers. Whoa, how are you guys?
Guys, we're in the middle of the podcast.
We're in a podcast. What?
Well, my customer needs this.
What?
No, I need that for my research for sampling. Hey,
Mr. Rhino, come on. Hey, you guys.
Hey.
Whoa, what? You guys can't. Stop the fighting. Whoa.
Oh, did you break it?
Did you break it?
no, it's a Rhino.
Whoa! That's right, unbreakable, and even if it did break, all the glass would stay inside that coating. Super awesome. With the patent
Fantastic.
cap, 4 ports,
Yeah.
all fluid contact, ultra pure, no colorant in that adapter. And guess what, guys? We got the leachables, the extractables, you can gamma sterile, all kinds of cool things. You're gonna definitely wanna check out all of our products, flasks, bottles, you name it, glassware with our patented cap technology, also with the 4 ports. And now we've got all this Rhino coating, super, super cool. But let's keep going with, next up, the head of operations at Foxx North America, Lucas. That's right, we call him
Hello,
Luke
everybody.
Skywalker. Let's hear from him.
Hey!
All right, and then off to the far left, the one and only 10 years at Foxx Life Sciences, the Italian stallion. That's right, Alice. Let's hear it for her.
Ciao a tutti ragazzi!
So Alice's our VP for all of our bioprocess globally, pretty cool, and has been with the company a long time and knows all these products better than the rest of us. Has got her master's in Biopharma and started off in the lab, right?
Absolutely, I was in neurobiology.
That's right. And then she went to the dark side of science, and she's been...
And I ended up in Fox selling to all of you guys.
All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So today we're going to talk about some of the connectors. Then we're going to talk about some of the CPC, some of this stuff. But then we're going to talk about how we utilize it in some of our assemblies. And the other thing for everyone watching this video, a lot of people know us for all of our standard products. We have 2 divisions. We have the laboratory division, which we sell through distribution, like VWR, Thermo, Fisher, the Fisher Scientific, all of the Thomas, all the ILDA distributors. But then we also have our bioprocess, where we're selling indirectly to pharmaceutical companies, biotech companies, all the way over to vaccine manufacturers. And then we have our 3rd division, which is super cool, and that is our CMO for all of our plastic capability. So now with all these new manufacturing facilities, we can machine all kinds of parts for you, like you see here and on the top of here, but we do all kinds of machining, polypropylene, polyethylene, polycarbonates, even PFA machining we can do for you. But then we have all the welding capability. We've had this now for 3 years. It started off welding all of our own parts. And then we realized, you know what? We've got some of the best welding technology in the world, and our prices are lower, our lead times are lower. So we're doing bag carts, we're doing bag holders, we're doing all kinds of connectivity with bioreactors, tri-clamps, welding onto products like the carboy you see down there. We've also got, all of our adapters, rigid dip tubes, super cool things there. But then we have all of our molding. Our brand new molding facility in India is second to none. All beautiful, brand new, full electric, full robotic, class 7 and 8 clean rooms, 25 feet high cranes, latest and greatest equipment, really state of the art, so we can mold parts for you. And it's all with no exposure to China or any of the major tariffs. So we're super excited about that. So you can call us for the lab products, bioprocess products, or if you want us to manufacture for you, we can do that also. So let's get it started with CPC, because what a lot of people are now finding out is we're one of their largest distributors, and we carry over $4 million worth of CP in stock every single day. We ship in 24 to 48 hours. We ship to lab distributors. We ship to end users. We ship to our competitors. A lot of our competitors buy from us because of the lead times, availability, and we do all kinds of special packaging there where we do 5 packs, 25 packs, etc., and traditional 100 and 250 packs. So again, we're a family-owned company that gives us a huge advantage over private equity or big public companies, because we're going to hold inventory. And we all know if you've got your MBA or if you went to college, holding a bunch of inventory doesn't make financial sense. And we agree with that. However, the beauty of a family-owned company is we can hold inventory. So think of us as your local hardware shop. You need a nail, you need a bolt, you need this. You can call Foxx on the phone, and we're going to ship to you in 24 to 48 hours. So let's go ahead and get started with Luke Skywalker, and take it away with
And guys,
CPC.
just a comment from my side. Super cool, right? Just look at the dimension of this. Customer-centric company, a company that is focused on future-proofing your supply chain for your industry. The biggest thing for us is be able to provide the local for local product in Europe, in Asia, over here in the US. Also be able to provide and increase the supply chain security in your company. And the biggest thing is we carry all those products. We carry all the integration. We mold, we machine. It is awesome. Just look at the whole range that Foxx is offering and building in this core in this company. So speaking about the connectors, the coolest thing is that we carry all the CPC connectors from micro CNX all the way up to the steam through connectors. We have them offered in the standard AseptiQuiks, and we have them offered in high temperature. And also we offer them in all the hose barb sizes, as well as all the tri-clamp connections that goes up to the 1.5 inch. So this is really cool, right, Dwayne?
Yeah.
You're talking about full capability, full distribution, a product that can be utilized in all the assemblies that we are being able to provide to you guys, shorter lead times. We carry all this in stock, so the most exciting part for the operation side, shipped to you guys in 24 to 48 hours.
Yeah, pretty amazing. And here you can see some of the products, and now you've even got all of the small bore tubing connectors from CPC. So again, and we do the combination. Highlight how we even do sub-assemblies of the connectors along with the steam through and some of that.
That is right. Foxx is also able to make since we carry these items in inventory, we're able to provide with a shorter lead time. We also make the connections with the steam through connections and the AseptiQuiks, both with the high temperature and the standard AseptiQuiks.
So lots of different options there, but the main takeaway is simple. If you need CPC, sanitary connectors, any of these type of things, just give us a call. We ship 24 or 48 hours, and depending on what size quantities you need, we can support you there. So it's super easy for us, and this we hold inventory again in the different locations. So local to local, just give us a call when we ship. So Alice, you've even got more of some of the other connectors that we do here at Foxx, which is pretty cool.
That is correct.
And we call them bioprocess components. If you go to our shopfls.com or foxxlifesciences.com website, and Dan the man, if you can pop that up in the background. Alice, talk a little bit about what you got.
Yeah, because it's not just CPC connectors, like assemblies are actually made with other type of connectivity. For example, we keep them in stock because of our model, right? So our model is, let's try to reduce the lead time, keep them in stock, and sell them as a piece, or like Lucas say, let's make like a shorter lead time for everyone. So here is a few examples of what else we have in stock. One is our Easy Bio clamp. We have additional tri-clamps in different sizes. We always carry reducers or Y connector, both in polypropylene or PVDF, depending on the application. We are also a distributor for Oetiker clamps. We have from 3 to 32 and also 1.5 as far as sizes goes. And finally, like our pinch clamps, also in different sizes. So you can actually come to us for all the different type of connectors. And on the website, you will see all the different options that we offer.
Yeah, super cool. And again, this line's continuing to expand because we're doing more and more connectors, and we're going to show you a lot more in the future because we've got a lot in product development right
Absolutely.
now. I mean, it's pretty crazy. Dan the man, if you can cue up the next video, we can show everyone how we utilize all these connectors and then swing it back over to
Today's video is all
Dwayne.
about tubing. That's right. If you need tubing, Foxx is the place. We carry 7 different brands of tubing, TPE, silicone, you name it. We've got it, braided, non-braided, and we're also a distributor for Oetiker and CPC. But we're not done. Take a look at this. We can do all kinds of cool SUT assemblies for you. We've got filter sets, needle sets, carboy sets, bottle sets. We've got, look at this. Right here, another GL45, 38 430s, all on different bottles we can make for you. But then how about our carboys? You can't believe it. We've got carboys all the way up to 50 liters in glass. That's right, with all kinds of crazy assemblies. And we're not done. How about this? 75 liter, all of this welded on connectivity for SUT. If you're into single-use technology, pharma manufacturing, mRNA, vaccine production, cell and gene therapy, you're going to want to call Foxx. Thanks for watching Foxx Life Sciences. Today's
So you can see there, I mean, again, Foxx, was created as a single-use manufacturing company, and since 2008, 17 years of doing this custom assembly type activity, and it's really no other company was created like this that's been in this business this long, with the global presence, with all the redundancy, with all the local for local, with all the validation packages, the leachables, extractables, the Class 6 data, everything that's required now in this industry. We've really pioneered it, including our sterility program, 10 to the negative 6 VD Max. We give full sterile validation packages on our products. It's really an amazing company to work with, and it continues to grow. But Dwayne, talk a little bit about, because obviously we have 4 facilities doing assemblies, so you have lots of redundancy, super important. Everybody recalls the situation we had during the COVID crisis and what a supply chain mess that was. We never shut down one single day at Foxx, and we not only supported our customers, our competitors, everyone else, and now some of the companies have forgotten about that, and here we are in the tariff situation, and we're right back to some of the concerns. We've gotten more calls in the last 30 days, I think, ever in the history of the company, because everyone recognizes Foxx has got inventory, we have redundancy, we have the quality systems, we have the validation, and we pretty much can do any kind of assembly for you. Tubing sets, filter sets, we've got all kinds of needle and bag sets. We do tons of bags. A lot of people know us for our carboys and bottles, and we that's great, no question, we've innovated and owned that space. But now over 35% of our business is bags and bag needle sets. So give us a shot, have us quoted, secondary supplier, you're covered. And but we're excited to work with anyone out there with any of these custom single-use sets. And go ahead, Dwayne, tell everybody a little bit about that. And same Dwayne.
Yeah, thank you, Tom. So what we have over here is, with all the connectors that is in stock in our facility and also in the India facility. So we have the potential of making so many different assemblies for you, from single tubing sets to Y connectors, having pinch clamps, having CPC connectors. You need a tubing connectors, so we can do something simple to something complex like this.
Same Dwayne.
He's always on
Dwayne.
Pretty awesome.
He's in
So-
war mode every day.
Every day, and so it's super cool having him on the team. Thank you for watching
Foxx Life Sciences.